In this video today, we will see how to create a folder on iPhone and what will be the use of those folder. Now the first use of the folder is you can create a folder in order to organize the applications. For example, if you want to put two applications together, then what you can do is you can tap and hold the application at first until it starts to shake like that one. Then you have to drag and drop on the top of another application which you want to group together in a folder. For example, let me drag and drop it on the top of this application. You can see a folder will be created. There is a name which is automatically provided to the folder. If you want, you can delete this name and you can have your own name, whatever you like. So once you do it, select done and tap outside and then again done. Now you can see a folder has been created where I have saved two applications. So in this way you can organize applications with the help of the folder. Now the other use of the folder is you can save any document or pictures inside the folder that you create. So what you do is you have to go to files, tap on this browse, go back, and you have the option to create folder either in iCloud, on my iPhone, Google Drive, share it, etc. So let me create a folder on my iPhone. So I will select this option on my iPhone, tap on this icon at the top here, new folder, and then let me give a name to the folder which is my name, and then done. So this is the folder. So what I can do is I can save files in this folder. For example, if I want to save an image from WhatsApp application to the folder, what I will do, I will open WhatsApp application, select a chat. Suppose if I want to save this image, what I will do, I will tap on it, select this icon at the bottom here, go to share, scroll down, select this option save to files. Let me select it. Then let me tap on this back arrow here, again tap on it. Let me go to this option on my iPhone and let me see the folder which I had created, which is Kundan. So let me go down. So this is the one. I will select it and then save. So what I have done is I have saved a picture from WhatsApp application to this file. Similarly, what you can do is you can go to this gallery, open, and then you can save a file, save a picture. Let me open this picture here, select this icon here, scroll down, go to save files, go back, select on my iPhone, and then select the folder that you had created and then save. Now let me close this one. Let me go to files. So I am on my iPhone and inside this one only I have the folder that I had created. This is the one. Open it and you can see there are two photos here. So the next use of folders in iPhone will be to save documents or files inside the folder whenever you want. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.